What's up, internet? It's your boy Gurpreet back at it. Actually, wait a second, that's the wrong intro. Hello, internet. My name is Gurpreet, and I just noticed something really interesting on YouTube recently that you've probably noticed as well. And no one's really seemed to make any post about it, or YouTube hasn't really even acknowledged it. I don't really know why. But if you notice this and you're confused about it, this is the right video for you to be at. There's this thing implemented on the timeline bar, or I think it's called the video progress bar is the official name, where you can define different sections for the video. So you see here when I hover over this little introduction parts, it's labeled introduction, above the little preview, as well as there's a little rectangle that like widens so you can see how long the section is. So it seems to go from about say 00 to about like 140 or 150 something. And then the next one, the World War II section, goes from about 2 minute 150 to about 14 minutes. And then the next section, new leaders, the little rectangle thing, widens so you can see how long the section is. Then the new leader section goes from 14 minutes to about 31 minutes. So I was wondering, how the hell do I implement this into my video so I can make my videos much more easy to understand, navigate through, so users that come and watch my videos are much more able to find the content that they need to watch. So I was going through the YouTube Studio beta, figure out if there's any way for me to implement this, and there doesn't seem to be any section or indication of how to implement this feature. Luckily, I found an article explaining how to do this, and I'm about to explain that exactly right now. It's super simple, right? All you do is go to the description and put in the timestamps. That's it, right? So just like a timestamp, 00, and then a dash, and then the section title that you want to call it. So 00 introduction. That introduction section lasts from 00 to 2 minutes, and then at 2 minutes it changes to World War II, and then from 2 minutes to 14 minutes it's the World War II section, and then at 14 minutes it switches to new leaders. And we said that right here as well, right? At 14 minutes it switches from World War II to the new leader section, and it says even right here next to the current timestamp part, next to the volume, what the section title is, so you know what section you were last at when you were watching this. It's super easy to implement, so I try to do it myself. So just on this random test video that I had, right, of course My Heart Will Go Deaf, the self-playing slide whistle, right, classic video of mine. So I just went to the description, added 3 random categories, right, from 00 to 23 seconds, it's the normal song, right, because that's literally what it is, it's just the normal song playing. And then from 23 seconds to about 1:50, it's the automatic slide flute playing, right, and then from 1:50 onwards, it's please subscribe. Just like filler text, just to see if this actually works. And look at it. Like if you hover over it, if you go to this video right now and look at it, you'll see this come up. Right when you hover over the progress bar, you'll see from 00 to 23, it says normal song, and then from 23 onwards to 150, it's the automatic slide flute section, and then from 150 on to the end, it's the please subscribe section. So this is really, really useful for long form podcasts or lectures where people want to find exactly what they want. I'll probably be using this much more in my future content for longer form videos where I explain a bunch of stuff. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Thank you for watching. Smash that comment section with hitting the bell icon. Subscribed. See you later. Peace. Dog. Nice.